In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Pixelgun 3D account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, your game account inside of Pixelgun 3D is linked to either Google Play or the Game Center. So all that you have to do to properly sign out of your account, if you are on Android or iOS, is to sign out of the Play Store or the Game Center. I'm going to demonstrate this process on an Android device, but keep in mind that if you have an iOS device using the Game Center, the process is similar. First, if you are doing this on Android, open up the game and then select Log Out. You will get this warning: you have logged out from Google Play services. Now, close the game and sign into the new Google Play account that you want to use. So, like I said in the beginning, once you are done signing out of the original Game Center or Google Play Games account, all that you have to do is switch your accounts and open up Pixelgun 3D again. Once you are done signing out of Google Play Games or the Game Center and you return to the game with a new account, if you go into the settings and you select the first option, you will be able to tap Google Play in here and then select Start a New Game. As you can see, there is a warning telling us that we can always go back to this account. So all that you would have to do is select Start a New Game using the new Google Play or Game Center account that you are now signed into. I'm not going to go ahead and I'm just going to stay on this account because I do not wish to create a new one on this email, but that's all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your Pixelgun 3D account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.